Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be creating new layers. Here I am just creating two random objects. At the command line, type LA, and this will open up the Layer Properties Manager. Notice we already have the layer 0. The layer 0 is a default AutoCAD layer. To create a new layer, click this icon. There you have layer 1, or you can right-click and create a new layer this way. Let's rename our layers. I'm going to call this red circle. This one, I'm going to rename this one to blue circle. Now I'm going to come here and change the color so that we can distinguish between these two layers. Okay, so now we've created two new layers. To change these two circles here, which is currently on the layer 0, AutoCAD's default layer, we can come up here, make sure you're on the Home tab. Here, click the down arrow and select the layer you want to place these objects on. If you just want to select one object, click the down arrow, and now these are on two separate layers. You can also select the object, click Properties, come to your layers here, and change the layer this way. Well, there you have it, folks. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.